happened? Is your baby pooping? Okay, stop. Yeah, clean her. She's stinky. Yeah, change her butt. Yeah. Ew. Oh my god. You made a mess up here, Bella. Look. Oh, you had a mess. Oh, change her butt. Yeah. You've been playing with the wipes so much. And where are you gonna put the wipes? Can you put it back? Where are you going? Are you gonna wash her? Hey, you can't use the water. No, you're gonna ruin your doll. Oh my God. Bella, no, no. Can you not? Can you not? What are you gonna do? No. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going out now. Show me how you change the butt. Oh my god. How is it? Do you know how to do it? Oh, you want me to help you? Okay, now let me see. Okay. You have to do this. You have to change. Look, you have to put like that. Okay? And then you're gonna do this. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, you have to help mommy to tape on. Can you get the tape? Where's the tape? Yeah, here. Look! Just look at mommy. Oh no, put the tape on. You see the tape? You see the tape? See? Oh, here you go. Oh, look, hold it. Can you hold it?
Okay. Alright.
Yay! The other one. The other side. There you go. She got a diaper. Okay, we're good? Oh, she's still laughing. She said it's tickle. Oh, show it to daddy. Hurry.
Panty.
Show panty.